Today on Kung Fu Maintenance, covering the simple operations of the Nest Thermostat using the thermostat itself, keeping it as simple as possible to show you how to operate this thermostat and get you started. More in-depth videos, hopefully coming soon. Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance, where I show you how to make the most likely repairs you'll need to make in your lifetime. If you'd like to get the latest videos, subscribe and then hit the little bell icon right at the subscribe button and it'll notify you of any new videos when they're released for you. Got all new Nest thermostats today. Just wanted to show you real quick how to operate them. You just push the button once when you come up to it, and it gives you options for cooling, heat and cooling, eco, just the fan off, or heat. So you just rotate the outside. Very easy. Once you get to your setting, I'll be doing cool, and it's the same thing for heat. You push the button again, and now you can adjust the temperature up or down. Sometimes when you first turn it on, it'll have an initial few minutes delay. That's to protect the compressor, and especially if you turned it off and then turned it back on, it would have a delay. The heat and cool setting won't work for all applications. Like my situation, I have hydronic heating, so but for a lot of other situations, it will work. It'll allow you to set a heating temperature and a cooling temperature, and you'll no longer have to switch back and forth if you're set up that way. So it's very nice, because usually your thermostat, you're either switching it to cool and then setting it up for auto, or switching it to heat and then setting it up for auto. With this setup, it's pretty cool because it does not because you can set both heat and cool on the same setting. It's really neat. The compressor just clicked on. Seems to turn on much faster. There's still a lot that I'm figuring it out, but I just wanted to show you the basic settings for the Nest. What's also cool is it tells you how long it's going to take you to reach that temperature, and it learns over time. So right now it's saying it'll take 45 minutes, but the theory is the machine gets a bit smarter over time. It's pretty cool. A quick search of my YouTube channel, you should find a bunch of different videos that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs. Also, there's links in the description below the videos to tools and parts used in the videos.